Are you frustrated with slow Wi-Fi speeds on your iPhone? Then you're in the right place. Today I will uncover some simple yet powerful tips and tricks to enhance your Wi-Fi signal speed on your iPhone. Stick around and let's improve your internet experience. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe down to the control center, then turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds. After that, turn it off. Solution 2. Use Google DNS. Navigation to the Settings app. After that, go to Wi-Fi. Then tap on the I button to the connected network. Scroll down. Find the Configure DNS option. Select Manual. Remove all the entries. Now add 8.8.8.8. Next, select Add Server and one more DNS and put 8.8.4.4. Solution 3. Turn off the background app refresh. Go to Settings, then tap on General. Scroll down. After that, click on Background app refresh. Now choose either off or limit it to specific apps. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app, then tap General. Scroll down. Now select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option. Then hit the Reset Network settings. Now enter your iPhone lock screen passcode if prompted. Finally, click on Reset Network Setting again. Hopefully, you found this video useful to boost up your Wi-Fi speed on your iPhone. If you have other queries, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel for tips and tricks. See you next time!